Hey guys, so in this video, I want to show you guys how to create a drop-down menu from your header. So to give you an example of what that is and why you would ever want it, I'm gonna go over to fashionnova.com, one of the world's biggest online retailers. And here are a couple examples of drop-down menus. For example, if I were to hover my mouse over here, you'll notice that it opened up all these other sub menus, right? So jeans is the upper menu, and then these would be your sub menus, right? Skinny jeans, flare jeans, baggy jeans. So if I were to go over to my website, I would, maybe I would want to be able to hover my mouse over the word catalog and then see all of my collections, right? Such as the bumper collection, the external battery collection, the wooden iPhone case collection. I want to be able to see all these as a customer and then be able to choose one of those collections and then have a deeper dive into that collection. So let's see how we do that. So going back, you're going to go to online store and you're going to click navigation, as you could probably imagine. And the way the navigation is set up is they have a navigation for the footer menu, which is at the very, very bottom of your homepage, and then the main menu, which is at the very top. This kind of black section here is your main menu, and these are your menu items. We have a button for home and we have a button for catalog. And that will match up with what you see here, home and catalog, right? So the main menu is basically what you see right here. So to create a drop-down under the selection of catalog, what you're going to do is first you're going to add the collections, right? Because we want to add a couple collections under the word catalog. You can also change the word catalog to something else. Let's call it collections. I'm just going to click, you're going to click edit right here, and then you're going to click, you're going to rename it to anything you want. Normally, if someone were to click the word collections here or the word catalog, it would show all of the products. And you could see that when you click edit, right? The collections, and then it links to all of the products. So now we want to add a collection under the word collections. So we're going to click add menu item. And then you're going to search your collections, right? And you can add a lot of different types of links. You could add a link to your homepage, you could add links to your products, a link to a particular page, a link to your blog. I want to look for the word collection. So I search collections here, and then I'm going to click bumpers, and I'm going to call, and you can name it something else too, but I'm just going to write bumper cases. All right, I'm going to tag there. So right now, if I were to save this as it is, the word bumper would be right next to the word catalog, but we don't want that. We want it to be under the word catalog. So what we're going to do is we're going to click it right here where these dots are, and then you're going to slide it over to the right just like that, and then boom. Now bumpers is under the word collections, right? And I'm going to go ahead and just add up all the other ones as well. So I'm going to do collections again just to show you. I'm going to do external battery. I'm going to do I'm just going to call it battery cases or external battery cases. And now I have two. I'm going to add one more. I'm going to click collections. And then I'm going to choose wooden. I'm going to call it wooden cases, right? And then I might even want to choose my bestsellers as well. Collections, and then bestsellers, bestseller cases. Or I'm just going to leave it as bestsellers. All right, I'm going to click Save Menu. You'll notice that all these are indented a little bit to the right. That means these fall under the umbrella of collection. That's why there's a drop-down button here. So now if I go back to my online store, I click view my store, it should be live. So now if I hover my mouse over here or I click my mouse, you'll see that it has all of my cases there. And if I were to click any of these links, it would bring me to all the products in that collection specifically. And that's how it's done. See you guys on the next video.